No.
Your Majesty. That is what it should be. How do you talk?
It's your honor, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Hello.
No.
I greet you, elders.
Actually, I summoned this meeting to tell Ndichie that my daughter, the princess of Amaike Kingdom, has finally chosen a husband.
Hi, this is a good news indeed. It is a thing of joy.
The gods are to be praised.
Igwe, like the Nollywood said, it is a thing of joy, and we are all thankful to the gods.
Your Majesty, something goes with something. As tradition demands, which you and I know very well, the chosen has to be summoned to this palace, at least for attestation, before they commence the marriage rites. That is the way it is.
The chosen one is Ogbuagu, the son of late Ekwu from Amaike Kingdom.
My king, that young man will not accept the offer, considering what happened between him and the royal home. Yes.
Lol, he has no option. As far as the custom and tradition of this great kingdom Amaike is concerned, he has no option. The moment the princess makes a choice, no one has the right to say no to it. In other words, whoever the princess has chosen will never say no, can never say no, despite whatever issue or challenge that they must have had with the royal family in the past. Of course, that is irrelevant.
No. You and I know that Ogbuagu does not respect tradition.
For the fact that the land forgave him when he went contrary to our tradition in the past does not mean that he will ridicule the people of Amaike Kingdom. If he dares me this time around, what I will do to him, he will not forget in a hurry. Let him not dare me.
Your Majesty, trust me. He will even be happy to hear it this time. To me on the ground.
My elders, did you know that before the Igwe mentioned Ogbuagu's name, I nearly called the name of this young man, Kodafaonya or Prince Afam.
I have always known that princess will not marry that young man. So many attitude towards him shows that she doesn't like him.
Despite everything Ogbuagu did to the king, he still accepts him as his in-law.
Not only in-law, but someone who will inherit the throne of Amaike Kingdom.
But wait, I thought that this Ogbuagu and Onowo's daughter were seeing each other. Were they not?
My friend, I'm not sure of that.
My elder, I am not asking you. I am telling you.
How sure are you about that?
I am very sure. It is a well-known fact. But the truth is that Onowu does not want the Igwe to know about this.
Okay, since you are very sure and you know about it, let me ask you just one question. Good. So how are they going to handle this matter?
My elder, this question is for you.
All I know is that Onowu's daughter will not leave that relationship. That is if there is any. As far as I'm concerned, the selection is tradition. And they know nothing can stop it except death.
Honor. I think I agree with you and I concur with you.
That is why I am called Honora. Onunekurora.
He's strong and fearless, a great lion killer. He fears no mortal, unless you're stronger than a lion. He know they look your face. It's a man with so much guts. Oh, I go bow down to nobody. Everybody should know, cause he is powerful. Hey, fearless and bold. He is powerful. He fears nobody. Yeah. He is powerful. The lion killer of our time. He is powerful. Oh, wow, good the lion killer.
Oh, go. You have to change that word. Rephrase that sentence you dropped. Oh, yes, change that thing you called.
Oh no.
Yes, better.
I will never stop addressing you as my in-law. Your daughter has been betrothed to marry me. The gods of Amake Kingdom are aware. So why are you trying to shy away from it?
I have changed my mind. Ekwu. Or don't I have the right to change my mind over my daughter's marriage?
You have no such right over her marriage life. She is an adult. She knows what she wants in life. She knows what is good for her. I am marrying your daughter and nothing can change that. But Onu, if I may ask, are you trying to stop me from marrying your daughter because I refused to take the lion I killed with my bare hands to the king? Is that why you are trying to stop me from marrying your daughter?
Well, it is a jack watcher, a ballon man or so. Basically, Jim Monabala watch also.
They are wise. The gods are wise always. I quite understand the way you feel. And your questions, I understand them. Even the reasons behind your questions, I know. But I am the prime minister of this kingdom, this great kingdom, the ancient kingdom of Ameke. After the king, the next person is my very self. So, I cannot go against the king's decision. I can get myself involved in anything that will bring unhappiness to the king. You should know that.
Oh no, nothing will stop me from marrying your daughter. And that's final. Please, why are you here?
I thought you could be patient enough to let's tell you that I'm here for something else. But the thing is, that is not the reason I'm here. I am here to let you know that the princess of this kingdom has chosen you.
Choosing me as what? Oh no.
As a husband, of course, a life partner. Oh yes, I am directed to come and inform you officially by the king and the cabinet.
I will do no such thing. Oh no. Tell the king that I will never be part of such tradition. I do not support a tradition that oppresses the people. I'm marrying Machi and that's final. As for the princess, I will never ever marry such character. Because she is so full of herself. She feels she's a mini goddess. Her father is a tyrant king who oppresses the people. I will never be part of such tradition. And that's fine.
Ubagu, the gods are wise always. This is tradition of this ancient and noble kingdom. Whosoever the princess chooses as a life partner, nobody, no one has the right to say no to the request of the princess. Nobody has any other option. That is the way it is.
Let it go into the Guinness Book of Record that I, Obuagu Chekube Ikogo, will never ever be part of such tradition. I'm marrying a Machi and nothing can change that. Take this message to the king.
Yeah, this is custom, tradition. Cannot be changed though.
The king should order the princess to stay away from me. Because the next time she disturbs me, I will beat her.
He is strong and fearless, a great lion.
One more thing.
He fears no mortal, unless you're stronger than a lion. He know they look your face. It's a man with so much guts. Oh, I go bow down to nobody. Everybody should know, cause he is powerful. Hey, fearless and bold. He is powerful. He fears nobody. Yeah. He is powerful. The lion killer of our time. He is powerful. Oh, wow, good the lion killer.
Your Majesty, I went. I met him, but it wasn't positive.
What wasn't positive?
I arrived there, delivered your message, but he turned me down. He was bold enough to say that I should tell you that he is not interested. That was what he said.
Obuagu is indeed daring me.
I said it. What left for me, I want to suggest we should allow him. Calm down. We have passed the information. Let us wait till the time we asked him to come. The day we ask him to come, if he doesn't come, we can now think of the next step.
Nobody stands on my nose and stands firmly. Nobody!
Lolo.
I said it. Yes, I knew it. I said it, didn't I?
You did. Yes, you did. I remember. And I also remember that I told you that he has no option. And even as we speak, he still does not have any option. Oh yes.
You believe that?
I believe that. Let me just tell you. Let him continue with whatever tika running around doing whatever he is doing. After rain comes sunshine. Yeah, definitely at the end of the day, he will surely come back to his right senses.
You know,
Anakwam. Let me.
Princess Ejima Natal, another girl, the no nonsense princess of a kingdom. Ejima, the princess of a Mecca kingdom, is back here. Ejima come they mean for us. Come change you overnight. Princess of our kingdom. Princess of our kingdom. Ejima come they mean for us. Come change them for us. The princess of our kingdom. Princess of our kingdom.
Wow, look who we have here.
Hey, hold it there. A pretender that dances the tune of a waltz.
I beg your pardon.
Oh yes, you have every right and time to beg for my pardon. But you know what? You can't have it no more. What are you trying to make this scenario look like? Convince these people here with the fact that you did not end our relationship because of that commoner.
Prince Afam.
I forbid you my calling. Anyway, I'm here to let you know that I got your message from my father. Yes.
I did not send any message to you through my father.
Princess Ejima, I'm not here to banter words with you. Can I have my ring? Can I have my ring, please?
Ujunwa, go to my chambers. On top of the table, you will see a ring. Bring it to me.
You know how much I bought this ring overseas? You never wore this ring for one day.
I told you that it doesn't fit my finger.
The gods of Nanka Kingdom will judge you for this.
We are on the tyrant leader, and he's turning our people into slaves. The madu moja, nobody not tells our joy. Man, again, I get messing no I make it is living in fear. The madu moja, nobody not tells our joy. Man, again, I get messing no I make it is living in fear. Ayo. We are on the tyrant leader, and he's turning our people into slaves.
My father is not around though.
I'm not here to see your father. I'm actually here to see you. Yes.
We have chair. Come and sit down, please.
Don't worry, I'm fine. I'm okay here. So, I'm here to ask you, Machi, Why did you allow the princess of this land to take your man away? I ask you a question, Machi.
I heard your question. I think the question should be, why did you allow the princess, your wife to be, choose another man over you?
Anyway, I'm not here for us to be logical. Machi, is it not better you stand and fight for what is rightfully yours? Just like the way I'm doing.
I cannot fight tradition. Neither can you here in Chacha Eke Kingdom. I advise you save that energy. Save that strength and find yourself another woman. Why are you looking at me like that?
I see beauty in your eyes.
Thank you.
Machi, my love. So you can now walk past me without even saying a word. This is unbelievable.
We are not supposed to be seen together.
Machi, why are you finding it difficult to believe I can protect you? Give me the chance to prove that.
You can protect me. Can you protect my parents? My father is the Prime Minister of Chacha Eke Kingdom. Can you protect him from the king's wrath?
Machi, I can protect the entire kingdom. Trust me.
Just let me go. If we are meant to be together, I'm sure that would have been the case.
A great lion killer, a fierce no mortal, unless you're stronger than a lion. He know they look your face. It's a man with so much guts. Oh, I go bow down to nobody. Everybody should know, cause he is powerful. Hey, fearless and bold. He is powerful. He fears nobody.
Igwe chased me out of his house. He said I should tell you that light and darkness have nothing in common.
Ikeze, Igwe, go and get me Oja Delay immediately.
Igwe.
What rubbish was that? To think that I've ruled over men these several seasons and yet men see me and they do not tremble. What nonsense was that? Oja Delay, Igwe, I'm not thinking. I want to behold the presence of Uwagu immediately.
Your wishes are mine. Your wishes, my God.
Get out! Leave!
No, I don't understand. What is even wrong with that boy? What is wrong with that boy? Huh? Igwe, Uwagu has pushed all of us to the wall.
Not only us, but the entire people of Chacha Eke Kingdom.
Igwe, Uwagu need to be flogged as soon as he comes here.
I'll prove to him that nobody urinates on my intelligence. Nobody! Not in my kingdom! Never!
What do you want here? Your presence is needed urgently in the palace. What if I refuse?
Hey, if you resist the king's invitation, you have no other option than to bundle you like a baby straight to the palace.
I'm not moving an inch. I am Obuago. Akabulago Gebu. I am Obuago. Akabulago Gebu.
He nearly killed us. Just look at his head. He held our head and hit our head together. For some seconds, I was on the ground. I couldn't even get myself, my king. My king. My king. My king. There is something so special about that man called Obuago.
Will you shut your trap? Shut that thing you call trap! Higgledy piggledy! Is that why you're running like somebody that has elephantiasis of the scrotum? Because of one man. I call you my guards. Get out of my sight now before I lose it.
Sorry.
Smell out of my sight, monkeys! Can you imagine that one? And you have the stupid boldness to confront me with this.
Hey! So, I'm on the guard when I'm after my guard. Once a year, guards, they'll come and stand. Somebody will think they have something in them.
Without knowing that they are just empty vessels.
Come on, Obuago, you people could not bring to the palace here. But if it is Ojadeli, punish the maids. You will know how to punish us.
That's what they are good at. Let me see any of you close to us again.
What did you say? Close to us. An apple meme. They will not try it again. In fact, let me tell you, you have lost your strength in us from today. So mind you, stay away from us. If not, take.
Let me even go and ask the king if you can punish them.
Yes, you got it right. Better.
You are missing it. We'll go and tell the king that we can bring Obuago to the palace. That's what we should do.
Exactly.
What men cannot do, women can do it better.
More better.
They are not talking.
That's it. They want you to go and get Obuago that they could not do it.
Imagine. I would like to punish the men.
You cannot talk.
They will not say anything. Let's go.
Time in this palace, I'm seeing you keep short in this palace. Ha! Hey!
They will not say anything. All they do is to wear big shoes. They will not say anything, I told you. They will not say anything.
Please stand up from that chair before you turn to them.
I'm the chief maiden. Sit down!
Yes, let's go. I'm happy we told them our mind.
You sit down them more. Men, women! Let's kick out. Let's kick out. Come on,
only the one that is supposed to know. Who will go put the name will go into the woman? How dare him reject the message from the king?
That's not only that. Not only that. But laid his hands on the royal guards.
If not for the law, the king has for the daughter.
Exactly so.
The king, that
is it. Based on that, and if not for that, the king will have since passed judgment on him, including his previous misgivings.
If I may ask, what is giving that young man the God to do what he's doing?
I am yet to gather my acts together on that. But to me, I blame the Igwe for the concurrent happenings.
You are right on this.
That's it. So how do you explain that? The Igwe gave room to that. One man killed a lion in a community and personalized it to himself. Yes, so as far as I'm concerned, the Igwe gave him wings to grow.
I said it then, but the Igwe won't listen to me. How can a young man from Eke Kingdom kill a lion in Eke land and refuse to bring the lion to the Igwe?
And come to think of it, lion is no small animal to kill and take away. Lion is a hot spot. Lion is a flashpoint. Yes. And that is where I have my worry. It was on that occasion, based on that, I drew my conclusion that this young man called Obuago had an affront and the onslaught against the Igwe. It's my personal opinion.
Well, Abasi, my friend.
You're my elder.
This meeting is over. We meet somewhere else in heaven. You know that Eke Junction? That place, not the place they are selling palm wine with pork meat.
Okay. The one at the extreme left.
Good. That place they sell.
That's my joint now.
Our correct grasshopper.
Well, he refused to come. Instead, he beat the guards that were sent to call him. That is the truth. My fear is, I don't know what the king's judgment will become after this.
Why is Obuago acting like this?
I don't have an answer to that. But you can see, you just imagine the kind of person your daughter has been warming up to bring in as a husband.
Nai, Obuago is a good man.
I know.
Just that he's rude when he feels you are falling in his right.
Okay. Who is now falling into his right? Is it our king that is falling into his right? That is stepping on his toes?
Anybody can step on his toes. But for peace to reign, he should calm down.
No, let him not calm down. He should continue. Let him continue. Let him continue. Well, like I said, my fear is what will become the king's next step. The king might pass judgment on his head.
Princess nonsense princess of a kingdom. The princess of Eke Kingdom.
Long live the princess of Eke Kingdom.
Upstairs.
Rise.
Come they mean for us. Come change over my dear. Princess of a kingdom. Princess of a kingdom. Come they mean for us. Come change them for us. The princess of a kingdom. Princess of a kingdom.
Ogichuku, did you people see what I saw?
What did you?
You're asking me what did I see? Tell us now, let us know if you saw it too.
Una from one. Our princess, I mean, how gorgeous and calm she was looking.
I thought it was a different thing. One way here we na. Ono Chacha Eke boys.
See village people. Now them they follow Ogbuagu. No, that's not.
Ogbuagu, what makes you think you can run away from the girl you chose?
Ogbuagu, you were never my choice.
A dog that would get killed doesn't heed to the whistle of a hunter.
And an ant that thinks itself an elephant will be blown away by the wind.
Are you indirectly calling me an ant?
Onwade Jebon Balaka, you called me a dog indirectly.
Enough. Do you realize you're talking to the princess of this land?
And I am Ogbuagu Akabulago Yebuumado. I fear no mortal.
Enough. I was going to your house to invite you for my 25th birthday, which is coming up on the 6th of next month, and I want you to be there.
Well, that's none of my business. I don't even remember or celebrate birthdays. Anyways, happy birthday in advance.
I want you to be there.
I won't come.
I'm expecting you.
Fearless, a great lion killer. Fears no mortal, unless you're stronger than a lion. He know they look your face. It's a man with so much guts. Oh,
I'm expecting you.
To nobody, everybody should know, cause he is powerful. Hey, fearless and bold. He is powerful. He fears nobody. He is powerful.
I am very, very happy today. I actually invited you people, my traditional chiefs, here because of my daughter's birthday coming up on the 6th of next month. I know some of you will be wondering why I kept quiet towards Ogbuagu's refusal to honor my invitation. On the contrary, my daughter said that she doesn't want violence. I have to respect her opinion. I kept mute. I have a lady. Oh no. I have a lady. Small but mighty. Oh no. Actually, it calls for celebration. We have to celebrate in lieu to my daughter's birthday. What I have here is First Legend Whiskey. Ichi Honora. Let's do justice.
Iwe, kamayi bonu. Oh yeah. Hey man, and the banyesi. I will do just that. Oh Jesse.
Bring it out, bring it out.
Oh Jesse. I'm going to put you here.
That is a call like that.
Wow.
Chai, how I wish I have my sight.
Maisie, don't worry. You will have your sight in Jesus' name. Amen.
But, Nivy, why did you say that?
The princess of Ameke Kingdom is going to dance for her father on that very day.
You mean?
Yes, my children.
But she doesn't know how to dance. Does she?
People say she knows how to dance. Even if she doesn't, the father will still declare her as the best dancer in the whole world.
Wow. I can't wait for that day to come. I'll be dancing with her. Lazy. Hope they will allow me to dance with her.
Yes. Why not?
Lazy. I hope you will allow us to go.
That will only happen if you girls promise me that you will not come back late. Yes.
Promise. We'll not come back late. Yes.
In that case, you have my permission.
Thank you, Lazy.
I know you are happy now.
Yeah.
Kosara,
Yes, amazing.
go and get me my glass. I want to take a walk.
Okay.
Yes.
This one. I don't get breast now. I'm going to find clothes, but why you doing this one? Mister, I'm going to continue with this. I will wait for me. But if I dance like this, King will pursue me now. Okay, master. Hey, I don't stop. No. Marachi. Okay.
Marachi, what's going on? What are you doing? What is it?
You shake me, Ashu.
Doesn't belong in going.
No, we just came. Amara, do you have a dance competition?
Yes, so I'm learning the dancing step I'm going to use on Princess's birthday.
Are you going to dance on that day?
Yes, so I'm going to dance. So I overheard the king talking about dancing, and I know he has surprises for the dancers.
Hi. Oh, do you know what you are? Look at me. Meh. That's what you are.
Mpi. So because you overheard the king talked about dance, you are here learning how to dance. Don't break this your leg that is already bent.
Is it a crime for someone that doesn't know how to dance to learn it?
It's not a crime. Now listen, let me give you a candid advice. Make use of your time judiciously. The dance the king talked about is only for the princess. Did you hear that?
Hey! For the princess?
For the whole community, including the next community. No, please let's go. So dance now. Just shake whatever it is you have.
Do this one.
Come.
It's for you and your community.
Choose for the princess. Oh no, all this my fault.
Your king is happy. Your king is happy because today the precious jewel of America Kingdom is adding just 1 more year to her age. The diamond of America Kingdom, the heir apparent to the throne of America Kingdom, is adding 1 year to her age. All of you must celebrate.
Amen.
All of you must celebrate. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my jewel. Happy birthday to you. Hip, 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 hip. Hooray! Your king is happy. My precious daughter, the jewel of America Kingdom, step forward. For demonstrating and orchestrating total choreography with these your magic legs that I know that was trained abroad. Your father is happy.
Thank you, Father.
Your people, they are all happy. And to this effect, that I, your king, your father, ask you this day to make a request. For giving me these wonderful magic steps, whatever you request in my kingdom shall be granted unto you, no matter what it is. Go ahead, my daughter, and make your request. I have spoken.
Thank you, Father. My father, the supreme ruler of Hameke Kingdom, I want Ogbuagu's head.
And so shall it be. Ogbuagu's head shall you get. Guards!
Calm down. Please, I'm not you. What is it? Are you okay?
Oko, you need to run away now.
Why?
Yes, you need to run. After the princess finished dancing for her father, her father asked her to choose whatever she wants. And she demanded your head. As we're speaking right now, the warriors of Hameke Kingdom, they're coming to get you. So you have to run. Please.
The princess demanded for my head.
Yes.
Joke of the day. Listen, it won't even work. So relax. You know what? I don't want you to meet them on your way going back. So just follow me.
Uncle, you should know the lucky battle. Yes, are you sure?
Nothing will happen to me. Trust me. Just go. Take it. Nothing will happen. Take it. Thanks for letting me do this. Thank you very much.
Your presence is highly needed in the palace now.
What is the invitation all about?
Follow us to the palace, Ogbuagu. Thereafter, you will know why you are needed in the palace.
Exactly.
You can't be ordering me around. As you can see, I am ready to go to the bush to do what I know how to do best, which is hunting. So go back and tell whoever that sent you that you did not see me.
We will take you by force.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Kosarachi. Somto. What is it? Why are you running? What is after you?
Nezi, I'm making warriors. I'm fighting on Kowago.
Hameke warriors. Why? What did he do?
Nezi, after the princess finished dancing for her father, the king asked her to make a wish and it to be granted. The princess said that she needs Uncle Wago's head.
Princess! Why? I ask you again! Why? You have been wanting to get married to Obagu. Why his head? Why his head? Why his head? Why his head? What are you going to do with his head? What are you going to do with his head? Ah, princess. Princess. Princess, why? Why? Ah.
Neza, what are we going to do now?
Neza, we need to do something before they kill him. We need to do something.
Come and sit, my children. Sit, my children. Sit. I have a story to tell you. I have a story to tell you about what is happening today. Sit. Sit. Sit, my children, sit.
You want us to sit down? And Uncle Baku needs our help.
Sit. I say sit. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit down. When Uncle Abu is fighting to survive from the hands of those warriors, you want us to sit down?
My children, nobody. I repeat, nobody, no one separates the Ameke warriors from their fight. Even if people go there, they cannot do anything. The gods of our land is aware of what is happening today. If they decide that Obuago will be victorious, Obuago will be victorious, my children. So calm down.
Nezi, so you're saying that it is possible for Uncle Obuagu to defeat those warriors.
The will of the gods will be done. After all, those warriors are not stronger than lion.
Lion?
Yes, my children, yes.
How do you mean?
The great lion killer of Ameke Kingdom is stronger than the warriors of Ameke Kingdom. Is that not what he usually say, my children?
I fear only mortal that is stronger than lion.
Go in! Now! Go in! Gods of our land, may your will be done. May your will be done. Kosarachi. Kosarachi. Somto. Kosarachi. Somto. Kosarachi. Kosarachi. Somto. Kosarachi. Somto. Somto. Kosarachi. I thought I heard a footmat.
Hey, Joma, did you see my husband? Mama, are you asking me of your husband? Yes, so I didn't see him run out of the palace.
Mama, you and I know he can't. Even if every other cabinet member runs, he won't.
Why did you say so?
Because he's the Prime Minister of Ameke Kingdom.
Oh, Joma, come on. So the Prime Minister of Ameke Kingdom does not run for his life?
Mama, that's not what I'm saying. They do, but in this case, he can't. I mean, the king and other cabinet members are still in the palace. That's not even my concern. My main concern is Emenike. I don't know where he is. I don't know if he's still there or he has run away. I don't know.
Then call him on phone.
Mama, I have been calling. He's switched off.
Why did you leave the palace?
Hey,
did you see my husband?
Mama, he's in the palace.
Doing what? What is he still doing there? Waiting for Obuagu to come and kill all of them?
Obuagu can't go to the palace. Just imagine, see, I've lost my bracelet while running.
Hey, there's a very big danger roaming in Ameke Kingdom.
Big one. I have always known and seen Obuagu as one of the strongest men, an extraordinary man.
A man who single-handedly killed a lion. Obuagu is the strongest man in Ameke Kingdom, not even those warriors.
But, Mama, come to think of what just happened today. Is it not that same Obuagu the princess has been clamoring for? What happened? Why turn around and ask for his head?
Chioma, since the day the princess noticed that my daughter and Obuagu are seeing each other, she sworn to destroy them. You see, I told my husband, but he wouldn't listen.
Mama, Machi, your daughter, who happens to be my friend, contributed quarterly to what is happening now. I personally advised her as a friend to run away from this kingdom with Obuagu. At least they will go and establish life somewhere else. I know that tyrant will not live forever. One day he will die. And when he does, they can return back to this kingdom and live happily ever after. But she did not listen to me. She refused. Now look at it.
What do I do now? What do I do? Do I go back? Or do I go home?
Don't worry, you will come back. Ifebuche, let's go.
Mama,
Bye-bye.
Hey.
A fierce no mortal, unless you're stronger than a lion. You know they look your face. It's a man with so much guts. Oh, I go bow down to nobody. Everybody should know, cause he is powerful. Hey, fearless and bold. He is powerful. He fears nobody. Yeah. He is powerful. The lion killer of our time. He is powerful. Oh, wow, could the lion killer be? He is strong and fearless, a great lion killer, a fierce no mortal.
Walk and go. I got a good way. And I'll go for your phone. Now I can. Stop sending people to my house, else I will keep killing them this way. I am Obuago, the man that killed a lion, and Akabulago, the Ebu mother. Allow me to live my life the way I deem fit, because marriage is not by force. Oh no, tell them I am engaged with your daughter. I am Buago, Akabulago, Yebu mother. No, Akabulago, Yebu mother. Enough is enough. You walk on that. Hey!
Oh, parang. Oh, kung.
How is Ameke Kingdom going to handle this?
I really don't know. Honestly, I don't know. The king is extremely angry about the whole situation. Am I wrong? I don't know.
The way I'm saying this, tradition will definitely be twisted in Ameke Kingdom this time around.
How do you mean?
Will the king still allow him marry his daughter after killing people like this?
Well, I don't know. I don't know for now. I wouldn't know. I'm not wrong.
It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Let's go inside. Stop crying. It's okay. Wipe your tears.
Pick up.
Why is Chioma not picking her calls, eh? Chioma, pick up your calls. What is going on? Does this mean she's angry I did not run away with her? Chioma. Hello? Chioma, pick up your... What is wrong with you? I've been worried. Where are you? What? I'm okay. I'm at home. Okay. Oh, thank God. I'll be waiting. Hey.
God. So we will not see your Jadili and no see K again.
Very painful indeed.
There is something I'm thinking. And I don't know if you people are seeing it that way.
What could that be?
Obago has mysterious power.
You think so?
Yes. If not, how can he defeat the warriors of Eke Kingdom? Not one, but two at a time.
Someone that killed Larry. What do you expect?
Even when I saw those warriors going, I knew something extraordinary was going to happen. Not to the extent of killing them.
A whole Eke warriors. That means nobody is safe in this kingdom anymore.
Is that the kind of man our princess is clamoring for? A man that can crush his fellow human being with his hands at a time.
Because she wants to be protected. Yes. She said Prince Afam is a coward. That she wants somebody who can protect her and defend her in public at any time.
Osetigona. Let her come and have him. Since she's looking for someone to protect her.
Look at what she did to this same man. She wants him to protect her.
Uju, I want to ask you something. And please tell us the truth. Is our princess a drug addict?
My dear, if you ask me, who will I ask? I don't know. Because she has never done it in my presence. But I'm beginning to suspect. The way she behaves, it's only a drug addict that behaves that way. Is it not obvious? Eh?
Not just a drug addict, but one coupled with an Ogbanje spirit.
Just imagine the havoc she's causing in this kingdom.
Oh, there is something that baffles me. is it that the Igwe cannot talk to the princess?
Thank you.
Because with the way things are, I think the only thing that the Igwe cannot grant the princess is when she demands for his head.
And how are you sure that if she asks for it, that he will not do it?
Do you know sometimes I think the princess is controlling everybody with charm or something.
Right?
God, may the souls of our making warriors and girls rest in peace. Peace.
He is strong and fearless, a great lion killer. If there's no mortal, unless you're stronger than a lion, he know they look your face. It's a man without a
Why are you here? Who are you and what do you want?
I'm sorry,
no. Turn! Just turn! Leave here! Leave my compound, I said, and never come back.
Obuago, I forbid you from coming to this compound. Just leave. Leave. Leave! Okoro.
You are happier. Happier. Leave him.
Don't go. Just stay. I wait for my husband.
Leave him. Jinaga. Yeah. Yeah. No, Mom.
Greetings, Obno.
Greetings, Sikeze. How are you?
I'm very fine, Nono. The king demands for your presence at the palace.
Okay, tell the king I'll be with him shortly.
No, yes.
I greet you, my king, the king of Ameke Kingdom.
Hello, you welcome. Sit.
I greet you, my king.
Hello. What is that you are holding?
Your Majesty, a broken machete. I was in my house. Ubuagu walked in looking for my daughter. And for just no reason, I was having this machete in my hand. Then he smartly snatched it from my hand and broke it into 2 pieces. Before my very eyes.
Ogbuagu did this.
Was I talking to you with water in my mouth? I was no. He did. He did. He did. And as a matter of fact, my family and I are not safe anymore.
I sent for you because there is this thing that I want to ask you. Tell me, no.
I am listening.
What Ogbuagu said before us, is it the truth?
Whatever item that has fallen into the stream, you use your faith to search for it. I have to be plain. Let me be honest to you. Ogbuagu has been in good terms with my daughter for quite some time. Ever before he killed that lion. Yes. But the moment he disobeyed you, I warned my daughter. I told my daughter to stay away from Ogbuagu. So that is it.
Is your daughter seeing Ogbuagu?
Not like that. It is not seeing Ogbuagu. Okay, they have been in good terms. That was then. My queen, that was before, not now. Not anymore.
Are you aware that Ogbuagu refused the royal offer because of your daughter? Do you know?
Your Majesty, I won't say yes or no to that question because I know that last night the boy but however it is, as I'm sitting here with you, what I am sure of is that I have warned Ogbuagu. I've asked him to stay clear from my daughter. I told him to let my daughter be. Because it is not possible that he gets married to my daughter. I made it clear to him. So,
tell your daughter that I want to behold her face in less than 1 hour.
My daughter? Okay. There is no problem. Consider it done. I will do just that. It's okay. Look at. The kingdom where I am the Prime Minister. Don't worry. Look at it. No, it's okay.
Just do my bit.
I will deliver your message. Can't you Mom? But now I will deliver your message.
Papa, why does he want to see me?
I wouldn't know why he wants to see you. He said you should come. But I want to assure you, be afraid of nothing. He is not going to harm you. You just go and see him. Then, if you and your mother had listened to me earlier, all this mess wouldn't have come up.
You are going with her now.
I am not going with her.
Then I'm going with her.
You are not going with her. The king did not say, come with your mother. And the king did not say, come with your father either. So you're not going anywhere.
Okay. Nine. What did the king say about this?
The king did not say anything about it. Like I said, you are not going to be harmed. He just want to ask you some questions according to what he told me. Very simple. So,
What is the problem?
Greetings, King of Eke Kingdom.
Sit down.
Thank you, my king.
Machi,
Yes.
I would like you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Do you have any relationship with Eke?
Yes. And no.
What do you mean by yes and no? Explain to me.
Yes, because we were in a relationship. And no, because we're no longer seeing each other.
Machi, are you telling this king that you're not having any secret relationship with him? You are not seeing him secretly?
Oh, my king.
And if I find out that you're still seeing him secretly, what do I do to you?
Your word is power, my king. You may do with me as you please.
Tell your father that I would like to behold his face. I want to see him in my palace. And make sure you come with him. My daughter, I need to behold Ogbuago's face. And you are in the best position to bring him to the royal home. I assure you, my daughter, nothing will happen to him. You see, the princess acted under the influence of alcohol. She was drunk, yes.
I was totally surprised by that, my king.
That was why she acted the way she acted. She was drunk. Yes.
My king, I don't know how to go about what you want me to do.
Reconcile with him and find out where his power lies. Can you do reconcile with him and find out where his power lies. Yes. Reconcile with him and find out where his power lies. Reconcile with him and find out where his power lies.
What is it?
Are you asking me what is it? Nai, did you accept this task before the king?
I had no option.
You had no option, you said?
Of course, I had no option. What could I have done? To say no to the king? That she will not be able to do that? Or what?
Don't you know his blood will be on her head for betraying and selling him to the king?
That was the area I wanted to point out. Because the princess made that decision, that choice, or request, under the influence of alcohol and drug. You see, in as much as some of us know that the princess made that request under the influence of alcohol and drug, she regretted afterwards. But the thing is that the king had decided to twist tradition, which of course we cannot achieve without the presence of Ogbuagu. That is all. That is just the thing.
Nai, how sure are you about what you just said?
I am very sure of what I said. I am the prime minister of this kingdom. The king does nothing without me.
Is your daughter aware of what you said?
Of course she's aware. Machi is aware. The king told her everything. Even assured her that nothing will happen to Ogbuagu. Ogbuagu wouldn't be harmed. So, it's very simple.
My father, the supreme ruler of Hameke Kingdom, I want Ogbuagu's head.
And so shall it be. Ogbuagu's head shall you get.
Did I really ask for his head? Did I do that?
My princess.
Ujunwa, rise.
Thank you, my princess.
I want to talk to you as a friend. Take me as your friend. I know you'll be wondering, but never mind. Get seated. I said get seated. Get a glass. Get a glass. Take a drink. Go on. More. Sit down. Like I said, I want you to take me as your friend. You're not my maid at this particular point. Okay?
Okay.
I need to ask you a question. Ujunwa. Did I make a mistake by requesting for Ogbuagu's head? Like I said, you're my friend and not my maid.
Yes, my princess.
Your friend.
I'm sorry, my friend. Well, my friend, I would like to ask you a question before I answer yours.
Okay, go ahead. Wow. I like that. That is the spirit, my friend.
Thank you. I don't drink much. Just that I'm super excited sitting with the princess of Hameke Kingdom. It's a great honor. Now, back to the question. Did you actually fall in love with Ogbuagu?
Yes, I did. I fell in love with him from the very first moment I set my eyes on him. And what strengthened my love for him was when I noticed he is a strong man. Ujunwa, my friend, all my life I've wished to have a strong man in my life. And I thank the gods that Ogbuagu is one strong man I've met in this community.
Did you just thank the gods you found him?
Yes.
You're thanking the gods you found someone, the same person you requested for his head.
Well, I'm sorry. is so stubborn. He refuses to reciprocate my love. So what do you have me do? And you think requesting for his head was the best solution for him to reciprocate your love? If I may ask, if they behead him and bring it to you, what will you do with the head? Will you marry the head? So what do you suggest I do? According to the tradition, your request cannot be reversed. So even if it takes 10 years, he must be beheaded. Ujunwa, my father is the supreme ruler of Eke Kingdom. His words are law. No one challenges him. He knows what to do. Have a drink. More. Okay. More. More?
My father said he has no solution following traditions. So even after 30 years, Obuago's head will and must be cut off and given to the princess.
What useless tradition are you talking about? Huh? Tradition that is of no help to the people.
You and I know this tradition has been here even before we were born and will likely be here even after our demise.
No, you are getting it wrong. I'm a law student. I know what is good and what is bad. And you're forgetting something. This tradition, if we did not kick against it now, it is going to affect our children in the future. It is affecting us now because our fathers did not kick against it in their days. Now, let me take you back to the olden days when no one passes on the road while Igwe Okanga, one, was passing. But today, it's not like that anymore. His son passes on the road, greeting people and shaking hands. It is like that because they kicked against it. We must kick against this.
Obinna, I honestly do not want to lose you. Please, do not kick against anything. Don't.
My love, why are you worried? Relax. You're not going to lose me. Look at Obuago. Have we lost him? Someone needs to stand and arise to fight back.
But my father said he cannot run away from it.
He doesn't even need to run. He doesn't need to run away and his head will not be cut off. Do you know who that man is? Obuago is the great lion killer. The Samson of our time. Just imagine the way he killed all the warriors.
Obim, you are correct. And that baffles me. Even the guards, that man is really a warrior.
At the end of the day, if they did not achieve the princess' evil wish, it means that that particular tradition will be abolished. The princess or the king can no longer ask for anyone's head anymore, knowing fully well that it's not possible in Eke Kingdom. That particular tradition must be abolished.
Well, we are here. And even if we travel, we always return back to our father's land. So whatever changes, we'll get to know.
Chioma, in no time to come, I, Emenike, am going to set a precedent in this land that is going to abolish all the laws that are repugnant to natural justice.
You will?
Yes.
I trust you. Obi, what are you doing? Give my mouth. Give me my mouth. No. Obi, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. Obi.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Are you okay? What smells about the wall? Where did you take her?
No, I saw her. I saw her. She was coming out from the princess chamber.
The princess chamber?
What are we going to do now? Let's take her inside. Please carry her. Okay, please go and get her wet. Let's clean her.
What kind of drink did you take?
Would you stop laughing us now? I'm not even taking her for walk.
Obuago, let's run away, please.
Why?
Don't ask me why. Let's run to another kingdom and establish our lives together.
Machi, that's an abomination. I'd rather die fighting than accepting cowardice.
Why? Why are you being stubborn?
Machi, I'm not being stubborn. I'm just fighting for justice.
The justice you are seeking just might ruin your life.
What? Why are you sounding like this? Please, sit. What happened? Why are you sounding this way?
I had a dream. And in my dream, you were attacked.
Attacked? Listen, my love. No one attacks Obuago and remain the same. No one will attack me.
Obuago, if you love me, you will please agree with me that we should run away.
Machi, if I agree to run away with you, that simply means I don't love you. You've spent years with me, yet you don't know me. Why? Trust me, nothing will happen to me and we are not running away.
This is no time to know you or not know you. Let's
unless you're stronger than a lion.
I saw hell in that girl's handbag. Trust me, I was trying to amend her way to suit me when I get married to her.
A drug addict? Would you have achieved that?
I would have done that, but it was quite unfortunate.
Well, she's regretting it.
Regretting what?
Regretting ever requesting for Obuago's head.
You see, Emenike, let me tell you something. You see, drug is one bad thing everybody should avoid. Once you get addicted to it, it will mess your whole life up.
But you did not even try. I mean, you were waiting to get married to her first before you can correct her. That sounds unwise.
I've not seen Princess Hma sniff drugs or smoke in their hand. Yes, though I know she does that. But each time I try to ask her or confront her, she'll keep telling me that she doesn't do drugs.
Why are you accusing me wrongly?
My princess, I'm not accusing you wrongly.
Do you have evidence that I take drugs?
I don't. It is obvious. Though I've not caught you with it.
Since you knew me, even when you came to Germany, have you seen me with drugs?
I've not.
In Nigeria here, have you seen me with drugs?
I've not. It is very obvious. You look it, you behave it, and you act it.
Prince Afam, this should be the very first and last time you will accuse me of taking drugs. If you are tired of this relationship, you can use the door. What are you looking for?
I was trying to see if I can see any hidden drugs.
Always be a man.
Baby, please come to the bed.
Come to the bed to do what? Come to the bed and have unprotected sex with you? Is that it?
Babe, what do you mean by unprotected sex with me? At this stage of our relationship?
Am I your wife?
Okay. Do you have any?
Do I have what?
Do you have condom?
Really? No, like seriously? I don't have that shit.
Baby, please come.
What is it? Can you just let me be? I just told you I'm not gay. What is your problem? Enough!
Babe, what is it? Why are you looking at me like that?
What was that you took from your bag?
Chocolate. Look at it.
Chocolate?
Yes. You want some? You want?
Every effort I made to catch her proved abortive.
You were not able to catch her because she's a very smart girl.
Very smart.
Well, the one I'm very much concerned about is you having protected sex. I mean, how do you intend to make babies?
Bro, everything about that girl got me tired. Yes. I nearly gave up when I visited her in Germany.
My prince, one thing you need to know is this. She is not your wife.
Oh yes, I know. And I've moved on.
You need to find peace.
Listen, we're just get our passport. Is it she's not ready? Okay. Life is beautiful. You know what?
What is it? Where are you running to?
What is it? I am rushing to the palace. Ogbuagu has been captured.
Where is Ideological?
Oh, I was coming together with him a while ago. When he realized he left his phone at home, so he's gone back to pick his phone.
What is it? Obi. Who's after you? Who's after you? Huh? Who's after you?
Obi, Ogbuagu has been captured.
Don't tell me that.
Obi, I'm serious. I'm being serious. I saw 3 men. They were leading him to the palace. They tied his hands. I saw him.
Shoma, what are you saying?
Oh, Obi, I'm being serious.
The great Ogbuagu, the great lion killer.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
The Samson of our time.
Yes.
Captured.
Yes.
Hands behind back.
I saw with
It's
my 2
impossible
eyes.
now.
Obi, I'm going to the palace.
Eh?
Obi,
Is that possible?
I'm going to the palace now.
Wait for me.
Obi, do fast, do fast.
Wait. Hey.
Obi, hurry up.
Hey.
Hurry up.
How can they? How possible is this, eh? The Samson of our time. How can you tell me that?
What is it? What is it? Why are you running as if something is pursuing you?
Lizzie, Uncle Ogbuagu has been captured.
What?
Yes, he said that we should tell you that he will miss you.
Lizzie, let's go to the palace and beg the king. Let's go.
Nobody can stop the king from beheading him.
Lizzie, please, let me be the king. Please, we can't afford to lose. Lizzie,
let's go. We can't afford to lose Uncle Ogbuagu. Let's go.
Maybe if we go to the palace and beg the king, when he sees you, he will say, please.
Please, I don't want to lose Mom.
I don't want to lose it, please.
Please, let's go.
Listen, no.
Listen, please.
Listen, don't tell me you're
Please don't do this to us. Listen, you're Komago. Listen, please, let's go to the palace. Let's go.
Papa ki jaja one. Lolo kan nelu. Opla ka lo ko yampa. Je de gudu do fun. Ani ba no lupo kwando, ani ba ni no lupo kwando. Ya mi lo numo. Ito to lo kutife.
Father, what is going on? Let him do the royal attestation. I cannot wait to have the great lion killer of Ameke Kingdom beheaded!
Who are you?
I am Princess Ejima the First, the princess of Ameke Kingdom.
Lie! What? How dare you? She is not the princess, and she is not the one speaking. Ezemwo, how dare you speak wrath before my presence? How dare you, Ezemwo? Explain to me. What do you mean by saying that it is not the princess of Ameke Kingdom speaking? Talk to me now.
No need, Father! Let us throw this man out of the palace! God!
Okay. Who are you? And what is your mission here in this royal household?
I am Princess Ejima Okanga, the first princess of Ameke Kingdom. My mission is to frustrate and destroy my twin sister. I was the firstborn of this kingdom, but the king and the queen chose her over me. All the promises that was made to me, none was kept.
My king, why are you worried?
Why wouldn't I be worried? Why wouldn't I be worried when the doctor confirmed that what you are carrying inside your womb are twins? Why wouldn't I be worried? And you know the position of Ameke Kingdom to twins. You know the position.
So what do we do?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. The tradition of Ameke Kingdom must be upheld.
My king, I cannot afford to lose my children. So what do I do?
And I cannot afford to lose them either. My queen, the tradition of Ameke Kingdom must uphold.
Oh my king, I cannot afford to lose my children. No!
Come, my queen, come. Come. It's a situation we get. Take it. Machi.
Maggie, I cannot take this anymore.
It's okay. It's alright.
Maggie, I cannot take it anymore. I cannot take it anymore.
Behold my body. Behold my body. Behold my body. Leave it. Sorry. I've already sent for the doctor. He'll be here immediately.
Let me see. No.
It's okay. I can't.
Let me sit down.
Easy. Where is the doctor? Doc. Yeah. Let's take her out. This is a system. Easy. Don't have something. Manage. Let's go. Our ancestors will protect you, don't worry. Because must protect you.
No, wait.
Easy. Come on, don't do this to me. Be strong. I love you. You can do it. Let's go. Yes. Take it easy. Take the leg up a little. You can make it, Mama. Mama, you can make it. Take one leg off.
Easy does it.
Take the other one. Put the other one.
Alright.
Do it.
Let's go.
Good. Yeah, let's go.
Keep going.
No. Easy. Come on, you can do it.
Be strong.
Be strong. Yeah, let's go. One leg. One step at a time. Let's go. One step at a time. One step. Easy. One step. Easy. You know you're waiting. Easy. One leg. One leg.
He sent for you, my king.
Come, Doc.
Doctor, my king.
You can keep a secret.
Yes, my king.
Nobody saw you enter my palace. Did you get that?
It's alright, my king.
Agreed.
It's a promise.
Good.
It's alright.
Safe journey.
Oh,
please, be very careful.
Thank you.
Just go. My driver will drop you off.
Alright. Congrats, husband. Thank you, Machi.
More. My king. The cricket do not run in the daytime for nothing. And whatever that brings salt to your shrine on this ungodly hour must be something serious.
My king, make your wish. The gods are listening.
I am aware of the tradition of Ameke Kingdom. I'm aware that twins happens to be taboo in this kingdom. The physician just said that my wife cannot conceive after this one. And I do not want to joke with the first fruit from her womb. I do not want to lose both of them. Please, Ezemo, consult the gods. Do everything humanly possible to make sure that one stays and one goes. We can't lose both of them.
They said your wish will be granted on one condition.
And what is the condition, Ezemo?
They said the one you live with will bear their name, Ejima, and must cut her hair every year in memory of the other. That's the condition, my king.
Consider it done. We shall do exactly your bidding. Abroka, my king, after you. My people of Ameke Kingdom, I am deeply sorry for my evil act. My wife, the queen of this kingdom, was confirmed by a physician that she has a growth in her stomach, and for that reason she cannot conceive. Finally, she was able to conceive. But what was inside her was a twin. Huh? The twin was delivered. But against the custom and tradition of the Ameke Kingdom, I have no other option. I do not want to lose my 2 children. I decided to give one and leave one, against the custom and tradition of Ameke Kingdom.
Oh, you chose her over me! I am your first child! You chose my younger sister over me!
Hey! Oh no! My queen! My queen! Hey! You will not be
Hey, what is it? What is it?
Abomination!
Now tell me now, what is it?
Hi! Nibo Kangana!
Hey!
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 So this is how our king ended up. This life is nothing.
Choma, I will take my leave now.
We'll talk later, eh?
Okay, Eminike.
Hi.
Obi, let's go.
Life is a lesson.
Of course.
Indeed it is.
We are on the tyrant leader, and he's turning our people into slaves. The madu moja, the putting our toes on joy. Man, again, I get messing no I make is living in fear. The madu moja, the putting our toes on joy. Man again I get messing no I make is living in fear. Ayo. We are on the tyrant leader, and he's turning our people into slaves. The matter no joy, nobody not of joy. Man again, I get messing no I make is living in fear. The matter no joy, nobody not of joy. Man again, I get messing no I make is living in fear. Ayo.
Milliardaire will love Nene. I said, but a milliardaire will love Nene. I got the one that be facility. I got the facility. Who put Jago Madame? Oh! Look at your nest on attack and name. You were your good at war. And I make a new load. One of any load. You want not to do not before. Look at the kind of poor. Bunu will give any tanda. Ibani tanda. Why I get a lot of them? Oh!
My twin, my better half, my sister, my blood. I am sorry. I am sorry for everything. It's so hard for me to let you go. It's so hard for me, my sister. I wish you were alive. I wish you were alive because we can do so many things together. However, I wish you well. I wish you well, my blood. Wherever you are going to, I wish you well. And I want you to know that I love you. I love you so much, my sister. I love you. I love you. Please, I beg you. I brought this. I brought these items to appease your spirit. Please, my twin. And I promise you that every year I will barb my hair as you requested. Please, my blood. I am sorry. The Igwe is sorry. The Lolo is sorry. The people of Ameke Kingdom, they're all sorry. Please forgive us. I wish you well, Princess Ijima. I wish you Johnny mercy. Till we meet to part no more. I love you. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't make it. Dry your tears. She will no longer torment you anymore. Go home and live a normal life. You are now free.
Ihu dike na anyu manko odegwu jiri ji abana we gbachi oba ji ewe meta ya ji ocha n'isi akwa mu na ekwu nwanne m akwa chekezi obu oja na gboge king of Ameke dalu kene ekele kwengi akwa ma na nwere ndị gburu ọkụkọ jenu nwe ndị gburu ewu mana igbu agwa na adịla mfe jukwa guru jiri ma we gbuo eji elu otu ahụ dị ha nwa dike igwe okpu agụ mbụba nganga ka eji eti nganga ka eji ezikọ n'onwe anyị mmọnwụ
It rained and it ended. As I'm working at one. Obodo anyị naghị adị na nkịtị, obodo anyị naghị ekoboro ụgbọgbọrọ. Onye ọjọọ kelekwa ngụ.
Ọnụ ọgwụ iji adị mara m ndụ gara m nka.
Ameke Kingdom, the ancient and noble kingdom. Today is a very special day. Very special day in the history of this land. As no here what I know because you see you been. On a be here could have put as no can see but also case a barrier. Like it just no but I just a barrier again. Upon the Ezioku. As no na above here could be a lover. The moment you observe something greater than the farm, you place the barn on sale. Today is a great day in the history of Eke Kingdom. Very special day. We didn't pray for a day like this, of course, but it has come. Who are we to question the gods? We are saying big thank you to the gods for making a day like this possible. Today we are going to crown our new king. We are proceeding in accordance with the dictates of the gods, doing the needful according to tradition and custom of this great land. Aya na no bosi na no ke no le na fo na nkwo. Asno na bala so gide mbotukpo na mi no ticha na no ma se enu. Wesna na abonye wodro bi ya kuna na aduku zo gosi enu. Aka no ji akwu enye chikachita nche na hari enu. We are going to crown you the new king of this kingdom.
We hereby crown our new king. And as we are crowning you, doing the best we can as humans, the best we will live for the gods. But that's not a miracle happen everywhere. I remember your words sometime. And I am saying, remembering our ancient words of the ancient, that Nakamuran's on Hamui, Makas Nikenga will on her. As we crown you, we will leave the rest into the perfect hands of the gods. Yeah, what I do because just you been. Onye Jan Manuki na-ekwu nwaanyị na ntị a na-echi. Onye ọja nwa ọkwa na ntị a na-echi m na-ebu m ntị. Hei, nwayọ. Na-ebe ya mkpụmkpụ. Ahịa na-anọ ụbọchị na eke na ore na afọ na nkwọ. Ndị egede ndị mbụ ndị gbuo. Ndị anyị na-ejere ozi na ndị na-ejere anyị ozi. Ụbọchị taa bụ oke ụbọchị. Ọ na-ama eke. I, the Prime Minister of this kingdom, Ameke, by the power bestowed upon me, I hereby crown you Igwe Obuagu, the first of Ameke Kingdom. Ameke Bueno. Yeah. Ameke Yenu. Yeah. Wono. Yeah. Praise your name. Igwe Obuagu. Igwe Obuagu for Ameke Kingdom. Igwe Obuagu. Igwe Obuagu. One of Ameke Kingdom. Yeah. Now that it's crystal clear that we have done the will of the gods, let's go outside and marry Jesus. Okay. Can you trouble? Hey!
Madam!
No, I cannot stay without you. Wake up!
bow down to nobody. Everybody should know, cause he is powerful. Hey, fearless and bold. He is powerful. He fears nobody. Yeah. He is powerful. The lion killer of our time. He is powerful. Oh, wow, could the lion killer be? Strong and fearless, a great lion killer. He fears no mortal, unless you're stronger than a lion. He know they look your face. There's a man with so much guts. Oh, I go bow down to nobody. Everybody should know, cause he is powerful. Hey, fearless and